Hi children, today we are going to start a new chapter 6. So under chapter 6 we are going to see with the understanding division concept, that is basic concepts of divisions from the beginning we are going to learn. So under chapter 6 exercise 1 we are going to see in this video. So I have given a situation, so you just imagine the situation in your mind. You have 16 sweets. You want to divide them equally among 4 friends. How will you do this? This is, you have 4 friends. It's not including you. Okay? Just imagine apart from you, you have 4 friends. And you are going to split the 16 sweets among the 4 friends equally. Okay? So for this, now I have just considered A, B, C, D as a friends, 4 friends. A is a first friend, B is a second friend, C is a third friend, D is a fourth friend. So now I am going to consider the sweets, like you can imagine any sweets. I am going to just take a shape like diamond. Okay, so this one diamond shape I'm just going to consider as a one sweet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 sweets is being given to 4 of the friends, 1 each. So rest 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so now finally I have stopped here at 16. Yes, so now just check under each of the friends how many sweets are there under friend A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A friend has 4 sweets and B friend 1, 2, 3, 4. B friend is also having 4 sweets and C friend is also having 4 sweets and D friend is also having 4 sweets. So that is, when the 16 sweets are divided among 4 friends equally, means each friend will get 4 sweets each. Okay, so that is what I have given here. If 16 is equally divided into 4 groups, each group has 4. Okay, so then 16 divided by 4, that is, this 16 sweets is divided equally among 4. No, that is what I have written in numbers and words. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. That is, equals 4 in the sense each one of the friend will get 4 sweets. So this divided word is being denoted in a symbol like this. Like you will give a minus symbol and then up and down you will give a dot. So that is what treated as division symbol. So here you are going to learn the symbol of division. So 16 divided by 4 equals, you know equal to sign, no? That is what equals means, equal to sign, which is equal to 4. So therefore the symbol for division is this. I have denoted here. Okay. So I am going to just show you one more example or 2 more examples. So here I have written a example 1. Okay. So here I have drawn stars. Shall we just count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 stars. And this 8 stars, we are going to divide the object into 4 equal groups. That is, object is nothing but these stars. So we are going to divide these 8 stars into 4 equal groups. Okay, so first we have to just split the groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 and Group 4. So because it has been said that 4 equal groups. So I have just written 4 groups separately. So totally how many stars we have? 8 stars. So we'll just split 1 star, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these 8 stars has been divided into 4 equal groups. Okay, so that each group gets how many stars? 2 stars. See, group 1 has 2 stars, group 2 has 2 stars, group 3 has 2 stars and group 4 is also having 2 stars. So that when you divide this 8 stars into 4 equal parts means you will get each group can get 2 stars. Okay, so that is, this can be written as 8 divided by 4. That is, these 8 objects, this 8 stars, no, that is what denoted here. 8 stars divided into 4 equal groups. 4 equal groups, which gives each group how many stars we have? 2. So 8 divided by 4 gives 2. Understood? So I'll just show you one more example. So this example, if you see, I've drawn the stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again here I have 6 stars. So in between I have a gap. Okay. So all together I have 6 stars here and 6 stars here. Totally how many stars we have here? 12 stars. 6 plus 6, 12 stars. So this 12 stars is being divided into how many groups? If you see, there is a gap between these two groups. This is one set of group and this is one set of group. So that I can consider this 6 stars as one group, group 1, and this 6 stars as a group 2, 6th. So group 1 has 6 stars, group 2 has 6 stars. So totally, how many stars are there totally? 12 stars. This 12 stars has been divided into how many groups? 2 groups. Okay, this total 12 stars is being divided into 2 groups. So that when it is divided into 2 groups, how many stars are there in each group? 6 stars. Understood? So this is what understanding division concepts, basic concepts, which is being explained through the any shapes, and you can take any objects also. Understood? Thank you, children.